Up YouTube, this is the B&B homestead where we're trying to make 1 acre of our land into a paradise. Before we begin, if you would just hit the like, subscribe, and that bing 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 notification so that we can let you know the updates and the journey that we, not just us, but you, are going on with us to making this 1 acre into a paradise. Now, if you look where I'm at right now, we're looking at this beautiful maple tree, and it is starting to turn here in September. It is becoming a fall blossom right now. It is beautiful. Beth is going to update you on some of the things that she did and some of the new flowers and plants that she planted into our gardens as we try to improve on our 1 acre of land. Let's begin!
Hey YouTube! It's Beth again, one of the bees of B&B Homestead. This little flower garden I put in, I think it was like 2 weekends ago. And I have 3 different color astilbes here and a white bleeding heart. And for some reason the bleeding heart is really fading in color, and I'm not sure if it's lacking something or if it's that time of season. So if you have any suggestions or ideas, please comment below. Okay, we're going to start the tour. While we're walking down this way, I want to talk a little about Harley. As been mentioned in the last video, we lost one of our dogs, Harley. So I'm going to give you a little background. She was a rescue. Sorry for the background noise. And she was a really sick puppy when we brought her home. She has been with me for 11 years, and I'm not sure how old she was when we got her. And I just had a bug fly in my ear. Lovely. And she just got sick. It's kind of empty without her here. I'm still adjusting, and I still cry, as you can tell. She was my girlfriend. But I know that she's happy and healthy and in her forever home, and I will see her again. Okay, here's the Mr. Lincoln rose that bloomed out during the time of taking care of Harley, and I missed getting it when they were in buds and in blooms, and got to get out here and deadhead this. I don't see any more buds, so I think that this, oh, I see some black spot down there again. Guess I'm going to have to get on that one. Daylily. I cleaned it up a little bit. It's about time to trim them back, but I see some new growth down in there. And this is the JFK. Lots of green, no blooms, but lots of greenery on it. And it's looking pretty good. I just need to get out here and clean it up just a tiny bit. And this flower here, I have no idea. On these tall spikes here, it gets these really purple flowers. And I have no idea what plant it is. Butterflies love it. So if you know what this is, please let me know down in the comments. And this one here you guys seen before when it had a little bit of blooms on it, but now it's just really blooming. This is Ben's favorite, I think. He come out in the yard and he's like, oh, look at all those blooms. And this other Mr. Lincoln isn't doing well. Now I bought some rose fertilizer And I'm going to put it on there and see if that'll help. I know it's really late in the season. Hi, Allie. You want to say hi, Allie? Allie, say hi, everybody. This is our other dog, Ellie. Yep, there she went. She's Border Collie and Jack Russell, so she never stands still. Okay, back to what we were doing. I paused there because somebody on an ATV went by. And here is my sedum. Oh, isn't it so pretty? I love this. I can't wait to divide it and move it and be able to show it off more. There's Ellie again. This grass here, I definitely cut it back at the wrong time of the year. And I see some new growth down in there, but I need to get out here and just chop it down and let it go and wait for spring. And then over here, hopefully this isn't too dark. Sorry about that. This is my Limelight hydrangea. Look at all those. Hi, Ellie. Stop. Else, stop. Sorry about that. This I rescued from the Blue Box store. I don't know if you remember that. And thanks to Garden Addicts, I learned how to rescue this hydrangea, and look at how it's doing now. I'm so excited. And then over here, oh, gotta show off this. This is some Joe Pye weed. I planted some here years ago and it's still coming up. So pretty. Look at that color. It is so pretty. Okay. Over here is the raspberry lilac bush, and I noticed I got some powdery mildew on it. So I watched another YouTube video, and I am going to get the ingredients and make a homemade spray and see if I can get rid of that. I just noticed that the leaves are curling here. I wonder what's causing that. More research. Okay, off to the other flower bed. Okay, so in my last video update, I talked about this bush here. And I seen this bush in another YouTube video, gardening video, and I think this one is called a sweet spire, something to that effect. I don't remember the exact name, but I know it's a sweet spire. So if I'm right, please comment. If I'm wrong, please let me know. But that's what one of those look like. And then we still have the reblooming daylily. Gotta get out here and trim it a little bit. I see more buds on it though. Such a pretty yellow. Then over here, oh my word, look at this butterfly bush. Look at it, man, it just took off after I got it in the ground. And Ben's been helping me with the watering. The calla lily, it's doing much better. I have another one, excuse me, in the front yard, and it's the same color. So I like to get a white one, maybe a white and a pink calla lily. Make a little bouquet in the garden of it. Okay, now we're back to over here at the wall. This is that phlox that I trimmed back, and I think that was a good idea because it looks much better. I was worried about trimming it back so drastically, but I think it was the best decision. The coreopsis is just a blooming like crazy, and I got another one at the biggest shopping grocery store, and it was like $3 and some change, so I'm excited to put it somewhere else in the garden. And the butterfly flower is blooming a little bit. I'm keeping an eye on these seed pods. I don't want them to break open, but oh, I see one over there I need to pick. Because from what I read, yeah, they break open, you'll have butterfly flower everywhere. Nothing really exciting going on in here. Candy Tuff is being a cute little tuff. Looks like I got something eaten on it. I've noticed that I have a lot of slugs this year. I don't know what's going on with that. And ants. Oh my word. I have found more ant hills than I thought imaginable. Everything else, this one's starting to, it's still blooming. That little annual that I thought was a perennial. The basil's starting to get a little yellow too. I'm not sure. I bought some, plant tone. So I thought I'd put a little bit of that on it and see if that'll help. It looks like it's yellowing from lack of nitrogen, I think. I don't know. And here is that little lobelia. And yep, I chopped it down. Yeah, I had to. It was in bad shape. So I'm hoping I did not kill it. Okay, let's go over here. Ben gave you a little peek of these. I think these are so cute. Let's see, where is one? There we go. These are toad lilies. Aren't they just cute? They're just now blooming. I have all kinds of blooms, all kinds of buds on it. But it's too tall for here again, so I'm going to move them to somewhere. Okay, here we go. Remember this nasty, horrible weed patch? Well, it's still got a few weeds, but not like it was. And here is the hibiscus. I don't see any open blooms. When I was putting this landscape fabric down here, I had a couple of stems that were growing outside of the little ring right there. So I dug them up and I trimmed it back, left some leaves on it, and put it in pots so that I'm hoping to plant somewhere else on our acre here. And the Rose of Sharon, she's getting tired, I think. She's getting tired of showing off all her beauty. I'm hoping to get this pruned back. I don't know when you prune a Rose of Sharon though. Any ideas? Help. And then again, got this all cleaned out. And then over here, that same flower over there that I said it gets the purple flowers on the spikes, I had some left over. So I put it right here. See how it does. Looks like it needs a little water. And the new hibiscus is doing awesome. Too bad it won't bloom this year, but that's okay. We got next year. And I think that is about it. I can't wait to get this done. I ran out of landscape fabric, but we went and got more. Got some more mulch. And then next year, of course, I got to make this garden bigger. You know, there's always room for more flowers. Anyways, there's that tree again. Oh, you can't see it through the oak branches, but fall is definitely in the air. I think today was our last 80-degree day. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and hit that little ringy dingy. And I have to say this. I miss you, girlfriend, but I know you're better now. Love from our garden to yours.